that the Samajwadi Party government is complicit in communal violence in Uttar Pradesh. And yet, because the Samajwadi Party is giving it the lifeline of support in Delhi, it's clearing Mulayam in the disproportionate assets case, making some sundry noises in Lucknow, and life goes on as normal. You see, the Delhi party circuit.
With due regards to you, you are so seasoned. That's a complete presumption, and I strongly rebut it. There is any kind of any exoneration being done, or any such thing as you are alleging is being done. That is completely unfair to the Congress party.
Sir, you are partially correct. You are partially correct, because it's not a presumption, it's an assumption I'm making, and the assumption is on the basis of certain facts at my disposal. Corrected on that point. Professor Vivek Kumar, are they all part of a fixed match? And then Subramaniam Swamy will respond. Professor Vivek Kumar, who's part of the fixed match and who's not?
Well, I think actually, Arnav, it is very clear from the historicity of communalism in Uttar Pradesh. If you see the three political parties which are now vying for a particular place in Uttar Pradesh, whether it is Congress, whether it is SP, and it is BJP, you can very well gauge the whole canvas of Uttar Pradesh politics, that who wears the cap, who goes to Firangi Mahal, who goes to Darul Uloom, who goes to Jama Masjid, and who calls Imam. So this is all real, actually a game which is being played for past 18 months.
By whom?
And we have all seen. And now when a particular lady IS officer is suspended just on the pretext that, look, there can be some communal riot, what will we be doing for a government which has already seen 31 riots? And it is the Congress political party which says nothing. So this is already foregone conclusion that who is which place and who is vying for this political space which is not there for them in Uttar Pradesh. So this is very clear.
Well, you know, but at the same time, I think Subramaniam Swamy needs to respond to some of the points made. Basic point, Subramaniam Swamy, is that all of this is being quietly engineered by the BJP, in which Amit Shah is playing a certain role. Now, Dr. Swamy, you are smiling there. Let me ask you the question. You see, your party workers obstructing policemen from doing their duty by preventing them from arresting BJP leaders who have warrants issued against them. Uma Bharati escorting your accused MLAs out of the assembly. You're sending a message out. And your message out is, we have cut a disregard for the law. Utter and complete disregard for the law. So
the message that is going out, the message that is going out is that the government in the Uttar Pradesh is not able to discharge its responsibilities according to the constitution. Who's stopping the Chief Minister?
Arnab, it was orchestrated. Nobody wanted to catch them. Basically,
let him complete. Let him complete. Let him complete. Let him complete. Don't interrupt.
No sensible person will do that.
Let him complete.
And they will go to Lucknow in the capital, and that too in Vidhan Sabha to catch all of them.
Let him complete.
They could have been caught.
Let Dr. Swamy complete.
In the nook and corner without any public space.
Let Dr. Swamy complete.
In the eyes of the camera, so to send a message that people want to do something.
Let Dr. Swamy complete. He can defend himself. Yeah.
You see, I have been in government, and I in fact was in charge of the operation to dismiss the DMK government in 1991 because they consorted with the LTT. So I know what these are. What we are hearing in this panel is the cry of the impotent, namely the government of the Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Akhilesh seems to be modeling himself more on Mr. Manmohan Singh than on his own father. I think this is the responsibility of the government to take action. If Uma Bharati says, dare you to arrest me, they should have arrested her if she had any
Madhukar
charges
Jetli.
against her. But to say that the BJP should make it easy for the government to function, this is a new one.
No, I didn't say. No, 1 second. Subramaniam Swamy, I'll get Madhukar Jetli to respond to you. But you must remember one thing, Dr. Swamy, with the utmost of regard to you, sir. Hukum Singh, leader of the BJP legislature party, has allegedly referred to the armed men who attended the Jat Mahapanchayat on September 7th as boys carrying toys. Boys carrying toys. Those who carry these. No, 1 second. Despite that,
not breaking the law.
Oh, yes. Really?
Of course, if you describe that as if you describe some rifle as a toy, that doesn't mean breaking the law. You can say he's stupid. But you can't say he is breaking the law.
Yeah, so he...
Why? Who gave the permission to the Mahapanchayat to hold that meeting? There was 144 in the area. Mr. Akhilesh was
Madhukar Jaitley.
impotent. He couldn't do anything.
Come on, yaar, you are all...
What's up, Madhukar Jaitley, can you...
There have been 31 riots also.
Madhukar Jaitley, can you hear me? What's it?
Don't reduce this whole debate to only this riot.
Mr. Subramanian Swami.
Mr. Subramanian, one second. If you just 1 minute, Professor Kumar, Dr. Subramanian Swamy has on 2 occasions right now thrown it entirely at you. He says you are not capable of running the administration in the state, and you are accusing the BJP of upsetting the law and order fabric. I want you to respond to him. He can hear you now. Mr. Jaitley, go ahead.
You see, the assembly of the people on the 27th of August, 30th of August, 31st of August and the 7th of September, they were all illegal meetings. No permission to anybody was granted by the administration to hold those meetings over there.
Why did you not arrest them?
And if anybody holds a meeting without permission...
Let him complete. 1 second. Madhukar Jaitley and Subramanian Swamy are taking each other on.
Listen to me. You are distorting the facts. The facts are being distorted. Don't put wild allegations upon the government. The DM and the SST were present to collect the memorandum.
Why did the DM and SST go over there? And why
they went to collect the memorandum. And let me tell you, Mr. Bhadoria, you should ask your own party leader Mayawati as to why what action has been taken against their own member of parliament.
Taking place, and you are there. You are going there to take the memorandum. That means you are giving legitimacy to the gathering over there.
Right.
It means
you are highly mistaken. You have no fact. You have no idea. You have no idea about the fact.
Continuing.
Mr. Jaitley, I have 2 minutes.
No idea about the fact. Before you continue with your wild allegations, let me tell you, the district magistrate and the SP were present over there just because they did not want...
Mr. Jaitley, a counter question coming to you. 1 second. Counter question coming to you from Subramanian Swamy. Mr. Bhadoria, 1 minute. Mr. Jaitley, I place on record one thing before I give it to Subramanian Swamy. I ask you tonight, why has an arrest warrant been issued against Rashid Siddiqui, one of your party leaders who was allegedly making a hate speech at one of the rallies? Akhilesh was ducking questions when asked about this. He says, I don't want to talk about it right now.
Let me tell you, Mr. Goswami, let me tell you, I am going to place this on record that nobody is going to be spared. Each and every...
And we are waiting.
Everybody which has gone on...
I've been hearing that for a long time. Subramanian Swamy.
And nobody who is guilty will be spared.
Subramanian Swamy.
Done in a selective way.
Subramanian Swamy, one at a time. Dr. Swamy.
See, the key thing today in Uttar Pradesh is the key thing in today Uttar Pradesh is the demoralization of the law and order machinery. The district collectors, the SPs, they are all thoroughly demoralized. What happened to that Durga Devi was just an example. Now they are. Your own Arun Kumar has said, I can't bear this interference. I want to transfer.
Wrong news story was circulated. It was corrected by the media.
So-called cantankerously friendly match between Mr. Swamy and the SP spokesperson. Arnab, can I just say one thing? There are 3 things that both the SAPPA and BJP need to remember. Arnab, the incident in this case takes place on 27th August, and we must not lose sight of the fact, and your channel has shown it many times. The riots finally break out when? On 7th of September. Good 12 days thereafter. Despite the fact that Government of India has sent forces, the Home Minister has already warned the Chief Minister. What was the Samajwadi Party government doing? And may I also ask Mr. Swamy, Arnab,
Mr. Swamy, Dr. Swamy, take that question.
2013, despite a charged situation, BJP calls for a Muzaffarnagar Bandh. Why? Did they want to polarize everything? One of their MLAs, Mr. Sangeet Som, whom you mentioned, uploads a false viral video from Afghanistan saying that this is the murder of the local boys there. Why? The BJP workers distribute CD.
He titled the video.
Why are we polarizing people who have been living happily since 1857 in the quest to get vote and bogies?
Last response by Subramanian Swamy.
Neither Mr. Swamy nor the SP spokesperson and their party should do so.
Well, you know, you're all... Dr. Swamy...
Precisely. precisely. I am saying that this government is important, that somebody can make a hate speech and get away with it. Somebody can challenge you to arrest them and you don't arrest them.
Really?
I am saying such an important government. What is the central government doing?
Which party does that person belong to? The person who's challenging it? Is it true that the person is from the BJP?
What does that matter? You have the power.
What do you mean, how does it matter?
You have the power. You have the power to prosecute him.
So
You have the power to
that's like
prosecute
saying,
him. I can't go by your propaganda here.
Mr. Surjewala.
I can't believe what you say. You
Mr. Surjewala.
in a court of law.
Arnab, can I say, with due regards, is Mr. Swamy sanctioning blatant and blanket violation of law by BJP? Does no law apply to BJP? Can they stroke communal fire for their personal ends? And can they communalize an area which has not seen any riots since 1857 just to raise vote bogies? And can he say that
30 seconds on the debate, 30 seconds to reply.
Is important.
30 seconds to reply. But Dr. Swamy replies, last 30 seconds.
I
am telling you that you have...
both Samajwadi Party
I
and
am
Congress
replying.
Party, can they give the words that there will be no communal rights in future in Uttar Pradesh? Please take a word from both, all the three political parties sitting there, that there will be no communal rights till first.
Dr. Swamy, last response. A question was asked by the Congress representative. 30-second reply.
Yes. I am saying precisely this, that they are confirming that they cannot rule by themselves. They are therefore are putting the blame on others. They have not been able to establish a single charge that they wildly use against the BJP. They say that a video came. Why didn't you prosecute the fellow? Why didn't you bring him before a court of law and establish that he brought it?
Okay.
Just can't go by your allegations.
I have only one thing to say.
Your leader goes there, they go to...
I have only one thing to go. I have only one thing to say. 50 to 70,000 people have been displaced. To those displaced people tonight, and from those displaced people tonight, this question goes out. How long will the politics continue? Even if the politics continue at some point of time, this conflagration has cost too many lives and hurt too many people. Gentlemen, thank you for joining me on the debate. End the politics, take the action. Let's move on. We'll move on only when there is action, and we'll follow till there's action. Thank you, gentlemen.